Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we are going to talk about how you can install and use Facebook Watch on your Fire TV device step by step. Well, Facebook Watch is a free application that is announced by Facebook team that is used to stream live videos, lifestyle, gaming and other sort of videos. This is unlike the official Facebook app, as instead of posters you will only see videos from pages that you have liked or based on your search term. So let's go ahead and install Facebook Watch on your Fire TV device. Let's begin. So in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, hold to find it, slide down and click on search icon. Now type your Facebook Watch. When you type 2-3 word, session list appear. So slide down and click on Facebook Watch. Now here click on blue color Facebook Watch icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this application on this Fire TV device. So just click on download button and the Facebook Watch start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. So here as you can see, Facebook Watch has been installed. Now you open this application from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hover to apps icon. And guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide down and highlight Facebook Watch icon. Press remote option button. Right side menu appear on your screen. So slide down and click on move to front. And as you can see, Facebook Watch is front of your all Amazon applications. Now press remote select button to launch it. So guys, I'm not opening this application because of copyright issue in this application. So I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments and below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.